What if mastering just 100 words could completely transform your English communication? It sounds too simple, but the secret lies in which 100 words. Forget random vocabulary lists. We're diving into the absolute power verbs that form the backbone of every conversation. Get ready to move beyond basic greetings and truly start expressing yourself. The A1 Essentials, your first steps to action. We're kicking off with the absolute foundation verbs like to be, to have, and to go. Learn how to use these in simple present and tense. For daily communication, think greetings and basic needs. Practice with quick real-life examples that you can immediately apply. Ready to move up a level? Let's try some real examples. I am Maria. You are a student. He is tired. We are from England. They are ready. Can you try and complete these sentences? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's go through them together. I am happy. She is my teacher. They are at home. Very good. Okay, let's look at some more examples. I have a question. You have time. She has 2 brothers. We have an English class today. Okay, have a go at these sentences. Pause the video and try and fill in the gaps. Okay, let's look at these together and see how you did. He has a new phone. I have a car. They have lunch now. Very good. Okay, let's look at some more examples. I go to work at 9. You go to the gym. She goes to school. We go shopping on Sundays. Okay, have a go at these sentences. Pause the video and try and fill in the gaps. Okay, let's look at these together and see how you did. He went to the bank. We went to the park. She goes to class. A simple A1 conversation using all 3 verbs. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm good, thanks. I have an English class today. A. Nice. Where do you go? B. I go to Maria's English. It's great. Okay, give these a try. Say these aloud. Repeat after me. I am. I have. I go to. She is. He has. They go to. Well done. You can now use to be, to have, and to go in real-life situations. Let's move up to the next level together. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.